In the quiet space between, reflections show what might have been. Through every bond I learned to see the truth of love inside of me. Mirrors of the heart, they show the light we give, the love we know. Through every storm, through every start, we find our peace in who we are. Balance breaks, then finds its way through shadow nights and brighter days. Each mirror crack still shines its part, a story card